You have spent time with children, and you know how many questions children can ask, even a bit weird ones. Sometimes that can feel exhausting, but questions are essential for lifelong learning, and we all want to nurture children's curiosity. How that can be done? I'm the founder of Kide Science, and I'm a researcher at university. I spent 5 years doing research, and I created a story-based model for young children's science clubs. Then a little accident happened. My study was over. There was no longer need to organize these science clubs. But parents were horrified. You can stop this. This is the best hobby my child has ever had. So I accidentally created something that people really want to do. And here we are now. Kide Science was established 6 months ago. We have now science clubs in 50 areas in Finland, and we are starting now in Kuala Lumpur, Seattle, and Hong Kong.
So what's special about our product? In Kide, children get to engage to a role of a real scientist. We dive together to a fantasy world called Supraland, and we always get our research problem from our robot, Hoseli. Mrs. Noble Gas wants me to blow up 100 balloons, but robots don't have lungs. Help! By investigating this problem, we learn, for example, measuring and observing. At the end, we of course report our findings back to Hoseli so that Mrs. Noble Gas won't get angry. Most of our competitors are focused on hands-on and sometimes minds-on learning, but we make sure we bring deep engagement by reaching children through their heart.
And what is the business potential here? We have formed a progressive and scalable franchising model. Most of our revenue comes from live club sales, monthly license fee, and teacher training, but also from digital science club, which can be used even at home. With only 20 teachers, we get this much revenue within 1 year. And the global education market is over $6 trillion and growing double digits. And yes, parents are willing to invest huge amount of money to children's education and hobbies. So you want to join this crew. Are you an investor who wants to invest in a product that makes social impact? Or are you a franchising expert or advisor who can get us to the right tables in new market areas and grow fast with us? Oh, and the question in the beginning. Next time a child asks you a question, try not to give them ready answers, but ask them what you think. You might be surprised. Thank you.